Are you ready to get your freak on? Welcome to Move Like a Contrology Freak. My name is Kira Lamb, and this is a series of Pilates exercise tutorials for the Pilates curious up to the seasoned professional. We're working on the neck pull. Now, similar to the roll-up, this is about spine articulation, but it really challenges you to find the lift and length in your spine as you articulate versus slouching or compressing into your articulation. You'll see what I mean when we get on the mat. This is introduced at the intermediate level. You do it at intermediate and advanced levels, and you do 5 repetitions. So I'll meet you on the mat. Okay, so little disclaimer. This is my least favorite exercise in all of Pilates mat, and you'll see why in a second. You just finished doing the double kick. So you finished in your extension, and then you can lower down, sit back on your heels, round your spine, bring your forehead to your knees, and then circle your arms back and grab your heels. Press your knees and your feet down, pull on your heels, and try to lift your waist up. Curl your tailbone under to get that stretch in your back, and then roll up one bone at a time. And then to set up for the neck pull, turn around, extend your legs in front of you so they're hip distance apart. And then send your heels forward, the soles of your feet back, and lie all the way down. Send your sit bones towards your heels. Pull your hip points back towards your ribs. So it's like your lower abdominals are getting scooped into the floor. Interlace your fingers behind your head. Squeeze your head and traction or pull your neck. So I feel like I'm pulling my head to the back of the mat as my tailbone reaches for the front of the mat. Here we go. Ready? You're going to inhale and roll up. Pull your lower abs back. Press your thighs down. Exhale, round forward. Find your spine stretch. Press your thighs down. Lift your elbows up. Now roll up from the base of your spine. Sit up as tall as you can. Lift the bones in your lower back. Pull your head up towards the ceiling. Keep pulling your head up as you pull your waist to the back edge of the mat, sit bones to the front edge of the mat, and you roll all the way down. You roll up, pull your abs back, heels forward to roll up and round forward, elbows wide. Press your legs down, lift up. Keep pulling your head or your neck up, and then pull your waist back. Sit bones forward, heels forward. Find that opposition. One more. Pull your lower abs back, heels forward to roll up and round forward. Press your thighs down, heels down. Lift the bones in your lower back. Keep growing taller. Pull your neck up. Pull your waist back, tailbone forward, heels forward. Roll all the way down. So common issue number 1, you saw it on my body. It's super challenging for me to keep my legs grounded into the mat. They just want to fly up towards the ceiling. So I scoop for dear life. I'm pulling my abs back, reaching my heels forward. But because I'm hyperextended, it's hard for me to ground my legs. So as I roll up, my legs fly up. So I have to work really hard at trying to press my heels down and reach my sit bones towards my heels so I feel the backs of my thighs working. Let's see if I can do it now. I'm going to pull my lower abs back, dive my head forward, ay Dios mío, and then round forward, top of my head to my knees. I'm going to press my heels down to find my hamstrings, and I'm going to press my hamstrings and heels down, and then lift up to round back. I have to keep pressing my heels down as my waist goes all the way back. So challenging for those of us with hyperextended legs because we are quad dominant. So the other common issue that comes up during this exercise happens on the rolling down part. So it has to do with the neck. So what happens is this, a jamming of your chin into your chest and collapsing your spine to roll all the way down. Instead, the goal is to pull your neck. So I interlace my fingers behind my head and I squeeze the bones behind my ears. I use my hands to lift or pull my neck up towards the ceiling and slide my shoulder blades down my back. So I want to maintain that neck pull. So I squeeze my head, I pull my neck up, pressing my head through the ceiling. As my neck goes up, I pull my waist behind my shoulders and my heels and tailbone reach for the wall in front of me. So there's always length in my spine as I'm rolling down. All right, so let me tell you how much I love a modification for this exercise. So let's do it kind of like you would do the roll-up with straight arms. Keep reaching your heels and your tailbone through the wall in front of you. Pull your abdominals up underneath your ribs and reach your arms back. Just like the roll up, arms go up, pull your lower abs back. Roll up, round forward, top of your head goes towards your knees. Press your thighs down, roll up. Try to press your head through the ceiling. Keep pressing your head through the ceiling. Pull your waist and your ribs back, tailbone forward. My heels and my fingertips are reaching for the wall in front of me. I roll all the way down, arms go up and back. Arms go up towards the ceiling. Heels forward, lower abs back. And I roll up, round forward, top of my head goes to my knees. I press my heels down, lift my lower abdominals, sit up nice and tall. I grow taller, I press my head through the ceiling, but pull my ribs and waist back, heels and tailbone forward. Roll all the way down, arms go up and back. One more. Press your thighs down, pull your lower abs back. Arms go up, dive your head through your arms, roll up, round forward, top of your head to your knees. Press your legs down, lift your lower abdominals to come up to seated. Keep growing taller, pull your waist and your ribs back, your tailbone and your heels forward to roll all the way down, arms go up and back. So much better, right? If you're working out on a traditional mat like me, slide your feet underneath your canvas strap and flex your feet. Send your heel bones forward and pull the soles of your feet back in order to connect your legs into your powerhouse. And then as soon as you lie down, reach your sit bones towards your heels, pull your hip points towards your ribs. And then interlace your fingers behind your head, traction your neck. So I'm squeezing the bone at the back of my head and pulling my head back. Lift your elbows like an inch off the mat and slide your shoulder blades down your back. You're ready to roll. Inhale, roll up one bone at a time as you reach through your heels, round forward. Press your heels down, lift your lower abdominals up to roll up. Keep using your hands to press your head up towards the ceiling. As your head goes up, pull your ribs and waist back, tailbone forward. Head up, ribs and waist back, tailbone forward. Your head goes down, you roll up. Dive the top of your head between your knees. Press your thighs down, lift your lower abdominals to roll up. Keep lifting your head up. Pull your ribs and your waist back. Sits bones and tailbone go forward. Again, roll up. Articulate through your spine, round forward. Press your thighs down, lift your lower abdominals up. Press your head through the ceiling. As your waist goes back, tailbone goes forward. Two more. Roll up. Pull your lower abdominals back as you round forward. Lift your lower abdominals up to roll up. Press your head up, waist and ribs back, tailbone forward. One more. Active feet. Roll up. Pull your abs back as you round forward. Thighs down, abs up. Press your head through the ceiling. Against that lift of your spine, articulate one bone at a time. So I hope you found that helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment box below and I'll get back to you ASAP. Now, if you're looking for more personalized instruction and feedback, or maybe like an actual class, I teach virtual mat classes on Zoom every single week. Go to my website, kiralam.com, and you'll find my schedule and you can register for class. For a discount, enter the code ContrologyFreak. Go figure. And be sure to subscribe to this channel and you'll get 3 exercise tutorials every week. Thank you.